Are you a face swap result on ChatGPT coming out blur, mismatch, or completely wrong? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that instantly improves your face swap result, and it works 100%. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy solution to fix face swap problems on ChatGPT, especially when the AI mix face adds a wrong feature or gives unnatural results. Step 1. Use a clear front-facing image. Most face swap issue happen because the original photo is low quality or not front-facing. Use a bright high-resolution image. Avoid side angles, no sunglasses or heavy filters. The clearer the face, the better swap. Step 2. Upload both image in one message. When using ChatGPT face swap, always upload the base image and the face image together in the same message. This helps the AI detect facial structure accurately and reduce mistakes. Step 3. Use a specific prompt. Use this prompt for the best result. Swap the face from image 2 into image 1. Keep the highlighting pose and original background natural. Do not change skin tone or facial expression. This avoid unwanted editing and keep the swap real. This avoid unwanted editing and keeps the swap realistic. Step 4. Crop face properly. If the AI is still giving errors, crop the face clearly before uploading. Make sure the eyes, nose and chin are visible. Partial faces can confuse the model. Step 5. Ask AI to improve the result. If the swap looks strange, simply say refine the face swap, make it more natural and matching the lighting. ChatGPT improves the result in one click, and that's it. These simple steps fix almost all face swap issue on ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips.